Hi everybody, it is Monday, March 30th. How's it going? Hope you had an okay weekend. We are in week 2 of shelter in place for the most part here in Connecticut. It's interesting. Today's topic comes from a question that my husband asked me this morning before we had breakfast, and then it came up again almost as soon as I started working today, which was my husband asked, if you get a company deny a claim if you pass away. And I said I didn't have the answer to that. I think it depends a lot on when you get the policy and the terms of the policy. And then as soon as I start working today, my cell phone rings with a friend who I know is a life insurance agent, and he does other kinds of benefits and financial planning. And I said, hey, I got a question for you. And he said, no, if you've got life insurance, it does not distinguish between dying from one disease and dying from another. So that's lucky. So then we got to talking, and he was talking about how he has a client, and he who has about 3 policies that are maturing. Some of them are whole life and some are term. The term policies are coming due, and the whole life has some cash value. So, the person's aging and he's getting older and he has some financial needs right now. And so my friend took a look at all of his policies, and the friend, his client's going to get about $40,000 back. And my friend found him another affordable policy that's going to carry him through his older age. And it's like win-win for everybody. So I said, you know what? I'm going to do a video about this today, that while everybody has some extra time on their hands, while everybody's cleaning out the closets and cleaning out the basement and cleaning out those desk drawers, is to make a folder with all of your life insurance information. So if you have some policies or a policy, get it together, set it aside, and make a point to call up your agent or call up another agent and ask about what can be done. Are you covered for the things you need to be covered for? Do you have enough coverage for your current life situation? And maybe there's a way to roll this policy into a new one. Maybe there's a more affordable option. Maybe there's some cash you can take out of a policy that you could use now. So it's a great time to get your paperwork in order, look and see what you have for insurance. If you don't have a policy, now is a great time, obviously, to think about getting some kind of insurance coverage, because you never know what's going to happen. And you've probably been putting it off anyways. You probably always thought, oh, I should get some life insurance, and now is a good time to look into it. So that's the topic of the day. Take a look at what your coverage already is. Think about renewing or getting another policy, or getting a policy to start with to protect yourself and protect your family. Let me know if you have any questions. If you're watching on YouTube, like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.